So now, this is what we're going to be doing now. We're going to be multiplying rational numbers, okay? Which, in this case, we have mixed numbers here. And the first thing we should do before multiplying the mixed numbers is doing the following. We are going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. How do we do that? This is what I'm going to do. 3 times 4 plus 1. So if I'm going to change my mixed number into improper fraction, I'm going to multiply my whole number times my denominator plus my numerator. So this will give me equals to 13. As you guys know, my denominator will never change. It's going to stay the same. I'm going to write my negative number. Then I'm going to start again with the second one times. I will do the second mixed number and change it to an improper fraction. So the way that I'm going to do is exactly the same way that I did there. I'm going to multiply my whole number times my denominator plus my numerator. So now, once I do that, I will have 2 times 4, a plus 2, 10. Over my denominator, which is a 4. From there, again, I'm going to bring my negative. Okay? I have learned with integers that when I have a negative and a negative, that becomes equals to a positive. I cannot forget about that. So then I'm going to multiply my 13 times 10. Very simple. I'm going to bring this 0 to the other side. And 1 times 13 would always give you the same as whatever number you multiply. Now 4 times 4 will give you equals to 16. And some of you will say, Ms. Venancio, that's a huge number. But just keep in mind that with this huge number, we could use the number line. So now going back into the number line, I'm going to divide what is 16. That's what I have here. So I'm going to multiply and I'm going to go ahead and do my number line. The 16 goes into 13, it does not go into 13. It does not, so what I'm going to do is at 1 times 16. I'm going to do first my times table of 1. 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 1, 3, 4 times 1, 4. I'm going to stop there because I want to get to this 130. I'm going to go ahead and only one more, 5. So now I'm going to start my times table of 6. And I'm going to write it with different color. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4 will give me equals to 24. And 6 times 5 will give me equals to 30. And yes, 1 times 6 is 16. But 2 times 6 is not 212. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my first 2 digits. That will give me 32. Because 2 plus 1 is 3, and the 2 bringing it down. I still have to get there. And I will have 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 and 8. 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6 and 4. 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8 and 0. So I have that 60 times 1 is 16, 60 times 2, 32. But I'm trying to find 130. 130. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to start doing my math. So if I'm thinking about 3 plus 5, my 3 plus 5 will give me equals to an 8. So if I add this up, a plus 0 will give me a, and 4 plus a will give me 12. Then I get that. My 128 is close to my 130. As we know, the number a goes on top. My 128 goes here at the bottom. I subtract, I have a remainder of 2. Oh, there I go. So, changing my improper fraction into a mixed number, my 16 goes 8 times, which is going to be my whole number. My denominator always stays the same. My remainder will be a 2. Can I simplify this? Yes, I could simplify this. I will have A equals to 1/8. And there I go. Going from a mixed number, multiplying my mixed number, changing that mixed number into an improper fraction, making sure that my integers both are positive, negative and negative will give me positive. If I don't know how to divide, I use my best friend, my number line. My number line will help me, and from there, going back from my improper fraction into my mixed number, into simplification. And this is it. Thank you so much, guys.